I'm so busy yesterday. This is the thing that I'm busy because I'm making clothes. This one is a 3 set. This one, this is one. So if you do like that, this is a shorts and then the blouse. I'm not yet pinning this one. I'm done with the hook and eye. Not yet locked. So yeah, then there is also a top for the shorts. If you don't like this, if you don't like this, it's also like can do like that. And then if you don't like the sexy, okay, just remove that one to have this. Yeah, so see. And then this one I'm not yet done to have a button because yeah, I want to show you